Hello everyone. Today we're going to be revisiting a lock that I did in one of my first videos. It is a 5200 American lock. See if I can keep that glare off of it. Sorry about that. Yes, it's an American 5200. The first time I picked it in hand, which is my preferred method, but I can tell that in a vise and with a better camera view, actually speaking of camera view, let me angle that up just a little bit for the camera there. Alright, what I'll be using today is a short hook from Sparrows and a 50 thousandths pry bar from Peterson. Let's see if we can't get this thing open with an let's see, how am I going to reach around this thing? I'm still trying to figure out this whole tripod and vise setup here. Alright, see if we can't get this open with a better view. Alright, there's our false set. And there we go. American lock, 5200, revisited. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I don't have any equipment right now to gut these locks to show you what's in them, but I will be getting that soon, and I appreciate it if you stay tuned and check out my upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a good day.